We're a group of cereal, oilseed and vegetable growers and felt we needed a point of difference in the marketplace. Oilseed rape grown in rotation with the cereals and vegetables gave us a unique opportunity to produce our own fuel for on-farm, road transport and energy production. So having looked long and hard on the continent at what our continental partners were doing, we started to produce transesterified biodiesel through a unique process, an inline process, producing between 750 and 1,000 litres per hour of biodiesel. Some fairly marked changes in the marketplace and the financial climate saw DERV rise sharply in price. Oilseed rape followed it. We started this plant at £170 a tonne, and very quickly it was around the £400 a tonne. So we've come back away from the biodiesel and are now converting engines to run on the pure plant oil rather than converting the fuel to run in a wider range of engines.
But you've also got quite a range of products that you're producing from the co-product, from the expeller.
60% of what we produce out of the end of the presses is the solid, usually used for animal feed. We're actually the first people to achieve the assured food standard for rapeseed expeller for animal feed, but we've developed it further than that. Because it's cold pressed, it retains quite a lot of the oil and therefore has a much higher energy value. So we're now producing a range of solid fuels: briquette for the domestic market, a 6mm pellet for the commercial market, and also developing further products, different variations on that to suit various specific markets.
So how important do you think both innovation and the ability to be flexible within the business have been to you?
Absolutely critical. Innovation at the outset, the transesterification plant, moving away from batch into inline, has meant that we've been able to keep the labour requirement for this whole plant down to just one person. The whole place is operated from a central computer with all the checks and emergency controls on there, so it can be operated from away from site.
But also you've had to be flexible in responding to the needs of the market as you've gone along.
Absolutely. As we said, having planned on transesterifying every drop of oil that we produced for biodiesel and the movement in the market and the financial climate, we've had to change the way we think. The innovation as far as the briquettes are concerned, the transesterification plant, if we hadn't have kept changing and kept rethinking the plan as our external factors changed, then we'd have been dead in the water. But having re-evolved the plan, we've kept exploring different angles, and that's kept the thing rolling for us.